Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a new template that I created to help you make your own custom nutrition facts labels over in Canva. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright, so when you purchase the template, you're going to receive a PDF that contains the links that will take you directly to Canva to start editing your file. Canva is absolutely free to use. With your nutrition facts label, you will be able to edit all of the text, the lines, the colors, and you can save it as a JPEG or a PNG file. You will have to create a free Canva account to edit your template. And you can just click this link to access the file, and I'm going to show you how it looks in the next screen. You're going to also receive the barcode. With the barcode, you're going to be able to edit the text and the text color, and you can also save that as a JPEG or a PNG, and you can click the link to access the barcode. After you click your link, you're going to come to this page right here, and it says a template was created by me, Latoya, and I'm sharing it with you, and you can click here to start using the template and start designing. Now, as you can see, the label itself has been pre-filled out for you, but you can click on everything in this label and change the text. If you wanted to change this and make it say something else, you can just click on it, hit the backspace button, and you can change the text. You can change the text color. You can highlight everything, go up to the color tab. Let's say we wanted to change it red. We can change that red. Right here, we can change this entire text by right-clicking and double clicking, however it goes. Or you can just take your mouse and highlight the whole thing and hit the back button, and you can start texting something else. And if you wanted to change the color, you can highlight the whole text again, go up to the color tab, and we can change the color to red. If you wanted to add to this, you can just click it, hit the space bar, and add a number. You can also do the same thing here, highlight everything, go to the color tab, and change the color. If you wanted to use a different font than the font that I use, you can keep it highlighted, go up to your font style tab, click on it. The new fonts will appear off to the side. With the free version, you can use all of the fonts that doesn't have a little crown on side of it. So you can use all of these fonts. You will see a little crown by the ones that you have to have the paid version to use, but everything else you can use. So let's say I wanted to change it to this, let's say I wanted to change it to that font. As you can see, the font has been changed. You really can't see it that good because of the color. Let me change that. So you can make this say anything that you want. You can change the line coloring. Let's say I wanted to change the background line to that color. I can change all of the lines that are inside of here. I can just select each one at a time. I can change all of the text right here. If I wanted it to say something else, what do I want it to say? Love, I can change it to that. If I wanted to change the percentage amount, I can change it to something else. So you can change everything in here. You can also change the text at the bottom, highlight, hit your back button, and you can start typing in something else. So you can change this for a baby shower, a wedding, anything that you want. Everything can be changed. All of the colors, all of the text, the whole thing can be changed. So when you're finished with all of your editing, what you'll do is go up to the download tab, click here. You can save this as a PNG, or you can save this as a JPEG. You also have the option to save it as a PDF file if you need to. So that's that. I also just included one that's already pre-blank for you, just in case. So that's how you will design your nutritional facts. So everything can be changed. If you wanted to, you can also add a clip art or a photo here. You know, you can move everything around if you need it to fit. Let me see. Let me see what I can find. You can go to Elements and look for some of their free clip arts, or if you have some that you already, or you can upload your own clip arts by going to the Upload tab. But let me just see. I'm just gonna use this one. Let's say if I wanted to make a label for National Women's Day. I wanted to use this clip art. I can move it. I select the image. I have to make sure I select the image, and I can move it up here. I can make room for it. I can make it smaller, or I can make the words smaller to make the image bigger. However, but you can add clip arts in there too. So the possibilities are endless. Canva has a lot of free different elements that you can use for free, but you can also always upload your own clip arts. So that's how you would do the nutritional facts labels. So now let me show you how the barcode works. Barcode is set up the same way. After you click the link, you will come to this page, select Use Template. Now with your barcode, the only thing you will be able to change is your text here at the bottom. So we can make it say happy. Okay, we can make the text smaller by doing that, or we can go up to the top and make it smaller. We can change the color up here at the color tab. We can change the font style by clicking the font tab up here. You can look for all of the free fonts that they have. As long as it doesn't have a crown on side of it, you can use it for free. So you can make this say anything that you want it to say, or you can remove this altogether and just use the blank barcode by hitting that delete tab up there. If you make a mistake, you can just go back up here to the undo tab and they'll bring it back up for you. And when you're finished, you can go to your download tab. You can save it as a PNG or a JPEG. Alright guys, so if you're interested in the template and you don't have it already, you can find it over in my Etsy shop. I'll have a link in the description box down below. You will get the nutrition facts label template, and also you will receive the barcode template. Both of them can be edited over on Canva. Canva is free, and you're going to receive the links to do it there. You can also look at all of my other templates that I have, like the chip bags, the Capri Sun labels, and the Rice Krispie treats. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.